sky was weeping soft and gray. I had nowhere else to go that day. Umbrella in my hand, heart feeling low. Then you walked by, moving slow. Your eyes met mine beneath the rain, a silent spark we can't explain. You smiled like sunshine through the storm, and just like that, my heart was warm. One rainy day, love found its way. Between the drops, our hearts would sway. The clouds above began to clear, 'cause somehow love drew us near. Who knew the skies could be so kind, that I'd find you when I was blind? It all began in such a quiet way. Love bloomed one rainy day. We shared a bench, our shoulders brushed. The world slowed down, the streets were hushed. You laughed about the weather's mood, and I fell for you with every word you used. No grand hello, no fancy start, just simple rain and open hearts. A coffee shared, a longer stay, and suddenly you felt like home that day. One rainy day, love found its way. Between the drops, our hearts would sway. The thunder rolled, but we stayed near. You held my hand and calmed my fear. The storm passed on, but you remained. A love so real it can't be named. It all began in such a quiet way. Love bloomed one rainy day. Now every time the raindrops fall, I close my eyes and I recall the moment when the skies turned gray and brought you here to stay. One rainy day, love found its way beneath a sky of silver haze. We didn't plan, we didn't chase, but fate had set the time and place. So let it rain, I won't complain. Your love still runs through every rain. It all began in such a quiet way. Love bloomed one rainy day.